Children, a warm welcome to you all. Today I am going to teach you about the tense. Tense means time. Grammar part tense. Tense means what, children? Tense means time. See, the verbs denote the action which done in the present time. These verbs are said to be in the present tense. Simple present tense. The verbs denote the action when was done in the past time. These verbs are said to be in the past time. Simple past time. Okay, children. The simple present tense is generally used for an action that is denote regular basis and perhaps every day. It is often used with such words as usually, generally, sometimes, always and every day. Okay, children. We use the past simple tense every day in English. Can you use it correctly, children? Can you understand it clearly? In this class, remember how to use past tense. This is one of the most. Okay, children. Today's class, I am going to teach you about the past simple tense and irregular verbs. See first. See, this is simple present tense. How to change it? Adding D and ED. Okay, children. First, let's add D. Here are some examples. Like, just we start to change into simple present to simple past by adding D, like. L-I-K-E. Just we shall add your D, like. Now it is changed into present to past. Next, move. Moved. M-O-V-E-D. Moved. Moved. Likewise, wipe. W-I-P-E-D. Wipe. These are some verbs changed into simple present to simple past by adding D. Now let's know ED. ED words. E-D. First one, join. J-O-I-N. This is simple present tense. We want to change it as a simple past tense by adding ed. Joined. J-O-I-N-E-D. Joined. Likewise, push. P-U-S-H. Pushed. P-U-S-H-E-D. Pushed. Likewise, one more example. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. T-A-L-K-E-D. Talk. For change into simple present to simple past, just you add your ed, your d and your ed. Next, how to use irregular verbs. Okay, children. See here, irregular verbs are verbs that do not end in D or ED or IED. Spellings of the four simple many of the most frequently used verbs are irregular verbs. Let's review few things about the past simple tense too, and it is used to talk about the complete action in a time before now. Okay, children, see here. Now. Now means the action is present. Now we are doing this action. Here, past time. This is past time or distant past. distant past, your future. Now the action is you do it now at present. This is present tense. This is past distance. The action is already over or completed or finished. This is distance past. This is future. Next class I am going to teach you about the future tense. Okay, children. The time of the action can be the recent past. Your recent past. Your future. The action is going in the future. This is future tense. Okay, children. See here. Now, the time of the action can be recent, past, or distance first. Recent past or distance first. This now or this is distance first or recent first. Here now this action is going on now. Like this now. This is distance past or recent past, like moved, wide. Okay, children. See here, it denotes matter how long the action lasted. Just that is, it's completed. The action is completed. See, you use the simple past to talk about when something happened. It's linked with some past time expressions. For example, we use it to talk about things. Here, using frequently, children, I always drank coffee. I always drank coffee. Drank is first time. I sometimes hide from my parents, and I rarely beat her in tennis. Okay, children, beat past tense. Next, I definite point in time. Definite point in time. For example, last week. Last past tense. Last week. When I was a student. Now I am a teacher. When I was a student. And yesterday. Yesterday. Frequently yesterday. Like that. I made it last week. For us here, I made it last week. She brought a new dress yesterday. She brought a new dress yesterday. I slept a lot when I was a student. Okay, children. These are some past tenses. Okay, children. Now, unfortunately, there are no rules. There are no shortcuts for use irregular verbs. See here, for the irregulars and interrogative, we follow the same rules as the regular past simple. Unfortunately, there are no rules to use for irregular verbs. Okay, children, and there are no shortcuts. You rarely just have to memorize them, but the following are 10 of the most commonly used irregular verbs in English. Okay, children, they are see. Be, was, do, did, do or does or did, have, had, HAV, have, HAV, had. These are some irregular verbs. Next, talk or take, took, take, took. Likewise, get, got, get, got. See here, these are some irregular verbs. Come, came. come, came. See, saw. See, irregular verbs, they does not end with D or ED or IED. Okay, children. These are you want to get factories. Okay, children. Let's practice this at home. Okay, children. Today's class, I taught you about the tense means time, and I taught present tense to how to change the past tense by adding D and ED, and irregular verbs. See, now means present, now means present. The action is going on now. Distance or recent past or recently occur the action, and future. See, these are some irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, you want to memorize them. Okay, children? See, really, just you have to memorize them, but the following, these are some the irregular verbs. Okay, children, commonly you are using these irregular verbs in English. These are the above tense. I meet you in the next class. Have a nice day, children.